Hello, I'm Arvid Vossen of CloudFounders. I'm here today with Tony Bogaert, VP Products of CloudFounders, to provide you some more insight in the CloudFounders products. Tony, tell me, what is exactly the CloudFounders product?
Well, the CloudFounders product is called CloudFrames. CloudFrames is a software product. It's the most complete software product ever built to convert standard commodity x86 hardware into an on-premise private cloud. It contains two main components, a storage layer and a cloud organizer.
What is so different about the CloudFrames product?
Well, the differences compared to the other cloud offers today is mainly the unity. We deliver everything in a box, in one single in one single stack. We have everything inside from software-defined storage, monitoring framework, an alerting framework, a unified set of user interfaces, all installable with little or no technical knowledge.
So basically I can have the cloud up and running in no time in my company using the CloudFrames software platform.
Exactly, that's the power of CloudFrames. It brings you to the cloud in minutes.
So what is your personal top 3 features of the CloudFrames product?
Well, top 3 is difficult, but if you want the key killer features, I would definitely look at our storage system. We have a software-defined storage layer that has unlimited zero-copy snapshotting, which is great for the business continuity applications. On top of that, we have a replication functionality, which also adds a dimension to the business continuity functionality. And on top, what is, I think, the killer feature is the fact that we are hypervisor agnostic, which means that the choice of the hypervisor is actually up to the user, and we just connect to any hypervisor which is out there.
So that's basically a lot that's in this all-in-one solution. That means it's quite expensive.
Well, that's another interesting thing. No, this is not a very expensive solution. And the reason for that is that we have control of all the components in our stack, in our software stack. We have developed CloudFrames from the ground up. We've developed each and every single component, which means that we are not influenced by any license costs of third parties, which means that we can keep the price at a very modest level.
So CloudFounders launched this product recently. So how was the response so far?
We did launch the CloudFounders product at San Francisco at VMworld. The reception was very good. The buzzword at VMworld in San Francisco was converged infrastructure, which is direction in which the industry is going. Everything needs to be inside one piece of appliance. That's good, but what was missing there was the unified interface for all of that. Now that is something that we are delivering. We are delivering that single piece of software which operates with your converged infrastructure.
So what can we expect from CloudFounders in the next months?
Well, in the next months, on short term, we are concentrating on what we call the any cloud principle. Today, our software works with just a bunch of disks or a NAS or a SUN as a storage layer. It works, of course, with all the local on-premise hypervisors. That's not a problem. But we are going to move into the direction of what we call any cloud, which means that you can use the CloudFrames software to basically work with any cloud. You can just insert computing power from, let's say, Microsoft Azure or Amazon AWS, and you can add any storage cloud to your mix, which means that CloudFrames will position CloudFounders exactly in the middle of all the cloud offers.
Okay, thank you for this clear overview, Tony.